Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this infographic which is animated in PowerPoint in just 3 minutes. Plus make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion. So first of all, we are going to open up a blank slide and go to format background. From here, we are going to change the background color to a light blue color, which is sky blue. Now let's go to shapes and insert a rectangle. A long rectangle which touches the top and the bottom of your template. Next, we are going to duplicate the rectangles using Ctrl plus D about 5 times and then put them side by side like this. Make sure that there is some space between them. Now we are going to put them in the middle and the center of our template. Remove the outline, give them a fill of white color. Next, let's give them some transparency. Now we are going to go to shapes and add this arrow that is pointing to the right side. Next, we are going to rotate it to make it point above. So now let's increase this broad area from here to make it look like this, like a house roof. Now we are going to put it right into the rectangle. We have to adjust its size and width according to the rectangle. Next, what we are going to do is go and change this fill to white and outline to white as well. 1.75 pt of the outline width. And for the shadow, let me just use this fourth number shadow. Now let's close this down. We're going to duplicate it about 2 times and put them in these two rectangles, the second and the fourth one. Now duplicate them and rotate them on top and leave them on the top of the first rectangle. Similarly, do the same for the third and the fifth rectangle. Next, we are going to go to shapes again and add this polygon shape. What we are going to do is move one of the shapes outside, and we're going to put this polygon into our template and give it some outline. And also remove its like the fill to white. Next, duplicate it and increase the outline size, and we're going to send it to the back. Change this fill to light blue. Duplicate it again and put it right on the previous of the polygon shape, and increase its size a bit as well. Yeah, like this. The next thing we are going to do is like duplicate the shape multiple times and then increase its size as compared to the first shape, and then send it to the back so that it looks like some shapes surrounding it. Now we're going to put all of the shapes like this and add our text, duplicate the template about 5 times. Go to the first slide and move all of your stuff outside. Now select the first one. Now go second, template, and from here we are going to move these 4 of these shapes to the right side outside using shift key to make them straight, move them in a straight line. Do the same for the other slides. Ultimately, we are going to leave all of them 5 shapes in the template. Now let's give them more transition and apply it to all. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to comment down to let me know about your opinion, and also hit the bell icon.